If you are looking for the absolute best in audio and home theater equipment, then you absolutely must visit the Sound of Panama. Located in Bella Vista, the Sound of Panama is the exclusive distributor for top audio brands such as Lynn, Macintosh, and Martin Logan. Whether you are considering a home theater or a new audio system for your office, showroom, yacht, or home, the Sound of Panama will personally visit your location to design a custom audio solution just for you. For more information and to visit the Sound of Panama showroom today, email info@thesoundofpanama.com or call 507-6670-6620 or 507-394-1631. www.thesoundofpanama.com.